Many Land Rover Defender owners, especially those with 2020-2024 models, experience key fob problems. The most common issues include a dead or weak CR2032 battery, proximity antenna interference or damage, and synchronization problems between the fob and the vehicle's computer. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery. Make sure it's oriented correctly in the fob. If that doesn't work, rule out interference by moving away from sources like power lines or large metal objects. For synchronization issues, perform a simple reset. Hold the lock button on the fob for 10 seconds to re-establish the connection. These basic steps resolve most common key fob failures. Remember to keep your key fob dry and away from extreme temperatures to prolong its lifespan. When basic troubleshooting fails, the issue may involve a faulty proximity antenna. Use diagnostic tools to check for body control module error codes. Contact Land Rover for free antenna replacement on 2020-2024 models. Over-the-air software updates can fix connectivity issues. Current trends shift to digital keys and smartphone apps like InControl, reducing physical fob dependence. Future Defenders will feature AI diagnostics for failure prediction, ultra-wideband technology for precise tracking, and graphene coatings for weather resistance.